I'll be arrested if...
Go to the bank. There's crims there.
Oh, I can drive the truck to the marked location. Ooh.
Oh, that's the... Dominic. That's... Alright, that's the main big police station. I'm resetting to go there. The main big police station. Then we have to unload money and make sure no crims steal any money.
Subscribe if you breathe air. Okay.
Just stay in the truck to unload. I'm just resetting until I get there.
Oh my god, what? There's a timer on the truck. There's a timer on the truck.
Yes, it blows up.
What do you mean it blows up?
It blows up after the timer ends.
Why does it blow up when the timer ends?
Guys, I made it to Area 51.
Dominic, drive as fast as you can.
There's another person driving.
Alright, tell them to come to the big police station.
How did I just take damage? Oh my god, this guy is like trash at driving.
Worse than you?
Worse than me. What is this guy doing?
Alright, I'm coming.
Rebecca, you're just up there taunting us. What the heck? Look, I could shoot you down if I wanted. We're not gonna make it. 8, 7, 6, 5.
It's a what?
Dominic, abandon ship. Guys, abandon ship. Arrest him.
Arrested.
Good. Here, Dominic. That's me.
Okay.
What happened?
Okay. Get me up.
The truck blows up.
Actually, you can man the gun. Sure.
Hey guys, I'm coming.
Rebecca.
Okay, let's go. Ready?
Hey.
Go, 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 go.
What am I even supposed to do, though?
Rebecca, are you driving?
Where is the marked location? There.
What do you mean?
Who's driving? Drive to the drive to the prison.
Okay.
Dominic.
Oh, what?
Hey, Rebecca.
What? How? Where are you?
Over here.
What?
Hey, Dominic, how much time do we have left?
Oh,
1 minute and 40 seconds.
Wait, I don't have gun. I don't.
It's okay. We don't need.
Then what do we do?
We have the other crims to help us. Come in through here.
Okay, guys, come help us unload the money.
Only police can do that, but yeah. Cole, don't shoot me, please.
What are you doing?
Get in there. Dominic, get in. Drive.
They popped my tires.
Yeah, criminals.
Guys, let me go to the money truck.
Drive.
Go.
Violet, don't get us.
Oh my
Rebecca,
god.
here.
You ever wonder why they do this to you sometimes?
Robbing the money truck. I like how everyone's just piling in. Just be here until the...
Yay! Oh, come on.
I'm waiting here until all the money's out.
There's a police coming.
Whatever. As long as they get far away.
Wait, how do I get the money out?
I'm just here for
stand
the
in the
money.
car.
I don't care if I get arrested.
Did someone arrest you?
Yeah, dang it.
Luke, do you want to get a helicopter?
I was about to get like $3,000 from the money truck, then someone arrested me.
Can you get more than 500?
You can. You just keep standing in there.
Yeah, let me just...
Alex, don't arrest me.
Where are you? I'm coming to you two. Get over here. Coming to you. I'm in a I'm gonna bomb you.
Guys, I'm robbing the bank.
This is called assault. This is car assault.
Yo, I'm gonna watch what's in the world.
They're so confused.
I'm gonna go to the prison. I
Wait,
want to
Dominic,
see
can I throw a
Dominic, I
helicopter?
see you. I'm above you. Kaboom! Sending nuke. Sending
Can you
nuke.
pick up cars that people are in?
Sending nuclear homicide inbound. Boop!
We robbed the bank.
Sending bombs down into the prison. I'm sending bombs.
I don't think the police officer knows what to do. He's just.
Alan, the funny thing is, you're a police, right?
Yes.
Because you're throwing cars at people, what do you mean?
I see a bunch of police officers just leaving the prison.
B is for boom.
Can I pick up a helicopter?
Wait, can you guys start the money
Rest.
truck?
I can pick up a helicopter! I don't know, it just started glowing.
Yo, don't you dare! That's my helicopter! Get away from that thing!
Get up! Rebecca! Make Alan mad, please.
Don't
I
make
know that's
me.
not a good idea, but do it.
I'm coming for you!
Wait, just
Get over here,
Wait,
Rebecca!
Can you sit in a wait? Can you drop bombs from a helicopter that's being towed by a helicopter?
I'll throw a car at you. I'll throw a car at you.
I'll throw you at you.
Alan, come here. I'm gonna throw a car at you.
I'm leaving. You better.
Yeah, run away.
Chase.
Run away.
I keep on circling.
I want to pick up a SWAT van.
You can't catch me.
I don't know.
Dominic, try sitting in the SWAT van and operating the gun.
I'm just moving around and just having Dom.
I can pick up the SWAT van.
Rebecca, get over it. Rebecca, put that thing down now.
No,
This is
I
this is
refuse. I refuse to put it down.
I'm gonna grab a car and grab you into it.
No, I'm stealing the SWAT van. I'm stealing the
Dominic,
SWAT
what did you
van.
buy? You have less money now.
Oh, it's pulling me down. Give it up, Alan. I have a SWAT van. Give it up.
Whoosh. Wait, what happens if, wait. I want to see what happens if I drop a.
What happens if you drop it on me?
I don't know
Wait.
if this is a good idea. I'm attempting the power plant again.
Oh, look. Do you want to rob something? Alan, stop shooting me. Yeah, I am.
Get down on the ground, I dare you.
I have a pickup truck. Nothing's gonna stop me now. Oh, it
I'm just
despawned.
lying on the ground. You can't.
Dang it, some cop arrested me. This
Luke,
cop
I
was
can get
over-
you out of jail. Luke, where are
Yeah?
you?
Prison.
I
You want to get out of jail?
Duh.